Oh great, why does Caillou have to snitch on me every time I do something bad? I've just had it with her junk food. Hey, I know what I can do to her for snitching on me. I am in Caillou bathroom, now I need to get a ladder so Caillou can't spot me.
What's the noise? Oh my god, it's Classic Caillou peeing in my bathtub. What? Whoa!
I'm coming, Caillou.
One.
I'm here, Caillou. What happened?
Classic Caillou peed in my bathtub, and I smell very bad.
Classic Caillou, my room, now. So Classic Caillou, I heard that you peed in Caillou bathtub. You must really love bullying Caillou, that's it. You know what you get for being mean to Caillou.
What is it? Is it a trip to Chuck E. Cheese?
No. It's too late. It's torture. Yes, Classic Caillou is gone. Now to get Caillou another bath.